Hello and welcome back to the Cook Hub. Today let's make pizza without using yeast, hence no waiting for dough to raise. We can make delicious homemade pizza. For that, here are the list of ingredients required. Let us start by preparing the pizza base. For that, in a mixing bowl combine 1 cup of maida, 1/3/8 teaspoon of baking powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Give this all a good mix. Once the dry ingredients are well combined, add in half a tablespoon of olive oil, give it a mix and then gradually start adding water. Mix until you have a dough. If it's too sticky, add a little more flour, 1 tablespoon at a time. Now, add a little oil onto your countertop and place this dough, knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is nice and smooth. Since we are not using yeast, there is no need to let the dough rise. You can use it right away. But as I have to do some preps for my toppings, I am lightly greasing the dough with a bit of olive oil and setting it aside, as this keeps it from drying out and makes it easier to work with later on. Now, let's quickly make some basic preparations for our toppings. For that, if you have pizza sauce, you can use it directly. Otherwise, you can mix equal portion of mayonnaise and tomato ketchup and give it a good mix. And some sliced mushrooms, onions and grated cheese. Now let's come back to our pizza base. Here if you want you can divide this dough into two equal portions and make thin crust pizza. But here I am making only one. So roll out the dough to your desired pizza shape and thickness. Grease the tray with some oil and then place the pizza base onto the greased pan. Now, using a fork, prick the surface of the dough to prevent it from puffing up in the oven. Now, here I am baking the plain crust for 5 to 7 minutes to firm it up a little at 220 degrees Celsius. But this step is completely optional. You can directly top the pizza base with pizza sauce, then add cheese cubes, some sliced mushrooms, onions or any veggies of your choice and then load it with lot of cheese. Now bake this at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes until the cheese melts and the crust is golden. And there we have it. No yeast pizza that's quick, easy and absolutely delicious. Slice it up, dig in and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Cook Hub.